The nature is always magnificent. You could see everything from the nature. The nature is showing you everything. You can see from the insects to the big animals in the world. Here I am showing some of the beautiful creatures. They are running and flying and walking and staying here. This is the story of the person who act like a creature. A creature acts like a person. So that's all about it. This is the most and important the feeling of the people they who wanted to take over their life and create the better happiness in their world. The most important thing in the life is the happiness. How you do is does not matter. How you make it does not matter. The matter is always you are receiving the happiness, endless joy in the life.